Okay, well, let's take a look at that part. It's not bad. Yeah, all the cracks are filled in anyway. And I added an extra rock here and kind of extended this out some. There's still room between here and the stove to stand and cook. But that should give me room to stack a little bit of wood there. I know a lot of people would probably say it would look better if I was to smooth all these out, but actually, in a way, I kind of like the rough look on that. I don't know if that's weird, but I kind of like the gravelly, rough look of the homemade mortar, clay and creek gravel mixture. I think that stuff's going to hold up pretty well. Not sure, but actually, when I go through the roof, I have an idea that I might try just the clay itself. I don't know. Anyway, let's see if we can't figure out a way to poke us through the top here. See what we got. Being very thick steel, I don't think it should hurt this stove for me to climb on it, so I'm going to climb on it. Then I'm going to wrap this around the other pipe, slide it up to where I can see where it's going to hit, and mark it out. And then we'll try to cut a hole. I just made a hole in my roof. Now I need to go up on the roof. Okay, now I'm up on top of the roof. And you can see all I've done, I took that stovepipe, set it up here and traced around it. Drilled a few holes. And now I'm just going to take the jigsaw and saw around it. Okay, now there's a hole in the roof, and down there is a wood stove. So, what we need to do is or what I'm thinking anyway, this may not be the way to actually do it. Get this tar paper folded back some. Oh, wait, well, I can do that down there, that'll be fine. What I'm thinking that I can do is take my old trusty pliers, and what I'm trying is to make a way for the water to go as it's coming down to flow around instead of trying to go down where the chimney is. I don't know if it's going to work or not. If not, I may just have to get me some flashing to go up here, but I like to try to do things without spending any money, if possible. Uh-oh, kind of ripped it there. Hopefully, that'll be okay. And I'll show you what I'm going to do about this whole area with the chimney going through it. theoretically, this part down here, the water should be already running downhill, but I still want to make sure. Okay, it is bent upwards now so that any water running down through here will hit and run off to the side, or hit and run off to the side. Okay, so we have a chimney coming down through the ceiling, and we have a chimney to go up to that. Cord out of the way here. Don't want to trip on that or anything. Alright, and I have some of these little short screws. They have the Phillips head on them, if y'all can see. Yeah, they got the Phillips head, and they got the metal self-tapper. So, let's see if we can't put this up there. Get me a pocket full of these. I'm just going to put screws in each one of these. And yes, I do know the chimney is not perfectly straight, but I wanted to get it away from anything that could catch on fire. So I tried to get it away from the boards so they wouldn't catch on fire. And now I'm going to cut the tar paper. There we go. Alright, so I put the shirt back around it so that when I do my patching up here, you can still see daylight up here. And you can see I cut this board off, and I got it away from that board, and I cut the tar paper out from around it. Now, I'm going to fix where the light is coming through. And that's the whole reason for having this here. Okay, so here's the hole. That's where this comes in. I don't know how this is going to work. There's no creek gravel mixed in with this time. It's just nothing but clay. I'm going to try taking some of this clay. And now if this doesn't work, all I've really got to do is go get some high temperature caulking. But I like to do everything as close to free as I can. Get rid of the rocks. I don't know how good this is going to work. But, you know, this is free, so it's worth a try, I think. And one thing about it, we will definitely know by tomorrow if this is going to leak, because it's going to rain and pour tomorrow. So I will keep y'all updated as to whether this works. I'm going to try to work this stuff around here, and I'll get back with you. Okay, well, now here it is. I have clay all the way around, sealing up the hole. Now, we'll find out tonight, or I mean tomorrow. Tonight it's not going to rain, but tomorrow it's going to rain. So tomorrow we will know if this is going to leak or not. And I'll let you know. If it does leak, all I got to do is take this back off, get some high temperature caulk, and no real problem, but I'm just kind of curious as to whether this will work. I guess we'll find out. Okay, so now we have the chimney ran out, and I think it might be time to see if we can set a fire in there. See what we can do. Hopefully I don't have to go to the bathroom later, so I'm using all my toilet paper. Alright, well, we got the wood stove going. It's heating it up. Only thing is, it's 65 degrees today, and I got a fire going. So I got all the windows open and the door, trying to get a little relief. It's about right now, but it hasn't been burning real long, just long enough to really get to going good. I'm just burning old pieces of pallets. I need to get some good firewood, but that's what I've got right now, and it's working. And you can see over there, I've got room to put extra firewood. I'll probably get me a little rack or build me a rack. Actually, I think I know where one's at I can use. And just hold my wood right there. Left me enough room I can still get to the cook stove over there. But I like to sit and listen to the popping and cracking sound of wood burning. Anyway, I guess that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit here and enjoy my new wood stove until it runs me out of here with heat. But anyway, I'm going to sit here and listen to it and enjoy it for a little while. I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.